Okay, Don, Panama City. This is your RCI 39. What I found, believe it or not, was a solder hair. And when I say hair, I mean it was even smaller than that. A hair between 2 points on the solder board, between the push-to-talk wire where it goes into the board and the ground. I looked at that for the longest time before, I ohmed out the pins is how I was able to find it. When I ohmed out the circuit between the two pins, I saw that they were connected. It was like 2.56 ohm between the 2 points. So I just took a hot soldering iron and ran in between the two and then tested it again, and presto, the short was gone. It was so small that I had to use a magnifying glass to see the hair. But anyway, that's what it was. The radio keyed up as soon as I hooked it up, turned it on. Now, as you can see, hello audio, audio, hello, hello audio, audio 1 2 1 2 audio. It's working like it ought to now. That was power all the way down, and right there's power all the way up. Hello audio. Put this on ×2 so everything reads ×2. Hello audio. Damn. I'll tell you what, those RT1s are doing their thing. But there you go. That's what the problem was. I just had one of these in earlier that was doing something very similar. It turned out that these connectors were hitting the top of the cover, actually the bottom cover, and pushing and causing it to disconnect. Whereas yours was connected all the time, transmitting all the time, unless you flexed this guy here. When you flexed it, moved it around, it seemed to break the connection. But like I said, I found it was just a little solder hair between 2 points on the microphone board. I had to take the whole front end of the damn radio apart to get to it, because you can't just take this out from the back. See how they got this board in there? It'll go back to that point right there, and you can't get it out no further. So you have to disassemble the front of the radio to get it out. But that's all part of it. Okay, I'll get her boxed up and ship back. 7-3.